Hi everyone. Some of the centers of St. John's Ambulance Association of India are issuing a new type of first aid certificate called Standard First Aid Certificate. In this video, we are going to analyze whether this type of certificate will be accepted by DGMS for writing competitive examination and for issuing the competitive certificate. If you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel Surangavali so that you will get notified whenever we post videos related to mining. According to sub-regulation number 2 of regulation number 14 of Coal Mines Regulation 2017 and Draft Metalliferous Mines Regulation 2019 and according to sub-regulation number 1B of regulation number 15 of Metal Mines Regulation 1961, no person shall be admitted to write any competitive examination conducted by DGMS without having a valid first aid certificate issued by St. John's Ambulance Association of India or any other organization which is approved by DGMS. According to the notification issued by DGMS in the year 2017, they are accepting first aid certificate only from two organizations, namely the St. John's Ambulance Association of India and Multidisciplinary Center on Safety, Health and Environment, which is located in Bhubaneswar. St. John's Ambulance Association of India, which is headquartered in Delhi, is a part of Indian Red Cross Society. According to their official website, they are issuing three types of first aid certificates, namely Senior Professional Certificate and their validity is 3 years, Medallion or Label Certificate and its validity is lifetime, and Voucher Certificate and its validity is 5 years. According to the official announcement issued by Multidisciplinary Center on Safety, Health and Environment, which is a Odisha government sponsored autonomous institute, they are issuing three types of first aid certificates, namely Basic First Aid Course Certificate, which is having a validity of 3 years, Refresher Course Certificate, which is having a validity of 5 years, and Advanced First Aid Course Certificate, which is having a validity of lifetime. Now, some of the centers of St. John's Ambulance Association of India are independently giving a type of first aid certificate called Standard First Aid Certificate with the condition written as non-proficiency on that certificate. When we compare the Standard First Aid Certificate with the Senior Professional Certificate, in which both are issued by St. John's Ambulance Association of India, the Standard First Aid Certificate specifies only the state name in which the center is located. For example, here it is mentioned as Karnataka State, whereas in Senior Professional Certificate, independent of the center which issues the certificate, it is mentioned as Indian Red Cross Society because this certificate is issued from New Delhi. Further, in Standard First Aid Certificate, they have mentioned a condition that it is a non-proficiency certificate. To clarify further, when we contacted the centers which is issuing these first aid certificates, they informed us that there is a long delay in getting the certificates from New Delhi and there is a more demand for first aid certificates. So, these centers have now decided to issue their own first aid certificate as an authorization that particular person have undergone first aid class at their center. Not only mining, many of the state recruitment boards requires first aid certificate as a basic document for their recruitment process. But in mining field, we should have a first aid certificate which is having a standard which will be accepted by DGMS. DGMS is very particular in verifying the certificates whenever we apply for any competitive examination. Recently, many of the applications applied for foreman restricted examination were rejected by DGMS, stating the reason that the copy of first aid certificate submitted is not valid. So, this new type of certificate called Standard First Aid Certificate is not announced in any official website of St. John's Ambulance Association of India. Further, there is no official notification from DGMS accepting this kind of new type of certificate. Finally, the centers which are issuing this type of certificate are also not confident whether this certificate will be accepted by DGMS for competitive certificates. With so much of uncertainties, we are not sure whether this first aid certificate will be accepted by DGMS for competitive examination. If any of you got rejected or accepted based on this type of first aid certificate, comment your experience below the comment box so that it will be helpful for others to understand about the real situation. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos related to mining.